If you've had enough of unreliable flashlights that fail to deliver the brightness you need when it matters most, it's time to consider an upgrade. Enter tactical flashlights, powerful, durable, and designed to withstand the toughest conditions. Whether you're navigating outdoor adventures or preparing for emergencies, these flashlights are built to shine when you need them the most. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. That's where I come in. In this video, I'll guide you through the 5 best tactical flashlights available today. Whether you're an avid camper, a first responder, or simply someone who values preparedness, I'll help you find the ideal flashlight to meet your needs. You'll find links to all the products mentioned in this video in the description below, offering the best prices and up-to-date deals. At number 5, we have the Nitecore TM20K, the brightest tactical flashlight on our list, delivering an astounding 20,000 lumens through 19 Cree XHP 50.2 LEDs. This flashlight lights up distances of up to 290 meters with ease. Its CNC-machined unibody design ensures exceptional durability and efficient heat dissipation, making it reliable even in demanding situations. The TM20K boasts an IP68 rating, meaning it's dustproof and waterproof, capable of being submerged in up to 2 meters of water. It comes with multiple brightness levels, including a turbo mode for maximum output and a strobe function for signaling or self-defense. The dual-switch ambidextrous control system makes switching modes intuitive and user-friendly. Powered by a built-in 9,600 mAh rechargeable battery, this flashlight supports USB-C quick charging, minimizing downtime between uses. However, the non-replaceable battery might pose a challenge for long-term maintenance, which is something to keep in mind. Users frequently praise the TM20K for its jaw-dropping brightness, sturdy build, and versatile light settings that suit a range of needs. Many find it ideal for outdoor adventures and daily tasks alike, appreciating its ability to adapt to various scenarios. Some users, however, have mixed opinions about the battery life, with occasional concerns about its functionality over time. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Nitecore TM20K is a fantastic choice for those who take nighttime exploration or high-performance lighting seriously. Whether you're trekking through the dark or handling emergencies, this flashlight ensures you're prepared for anything. At number 4, we have the Fenix PD36, an outstanding mid-range tactical flashlight that balances performance and affordability. Equipped with a luminous SST70 LED boasting a 50,000-hour lifespan, this flashlight delivers up to 3,000 lumens, illuminating distances of up to 274 meters. It's powered by a 5,000 mAh 21700 rechargeable lithium-ion battery, included, providing extended runtime to tackle demanding tasks with ease. The PD36 features both tactical and duty modes, easily switchable via a mechanical toggle on the tail cap. Its patented dual-function tactical switch ensures instant activation, granting quick access to multiple lighting levels. Built with robust A6061-T6 aluminum, and finished with a premium HA 3 hard anodized anti-abrasive coating. This flashlight is made to endure rugged use in harsh conditions. Weighing only 3.24 ounces. Without the battery, the PD36 is compact and lightweight, making it an excellent choice for everyday carry. Additional features include a lockout function to prevent accidental activation and reverse polarity protection to safeguard against incorrect battery installation. Its IP68 rating guarantees dustproof and waterproof performance, withstanding submersion in up to 2 meters of water for 30 minutes. Users consistently commend the PD36 for its exceptional build quality, impressive brightness, and versatile functionality. Many appreciate its adaptability for both tactical purposes and general use, noting its practicality and durability. The inclusion of a holster and a battery carrying case enhances convenience, making storage and transport hassle-free. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, tactical flashlight at an excellent price point, the Fenix PD36R is a top-tier choice. Don't forget to check the description for the latest prices on this flashlight and others featured in this video. And if you're enjoying this content, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button to support the channel. At number 3, we have the OLIGHT Arkfeld Pro, a highly versatile tactical flashlight that stands out for its functionality and adaptability. With a maximum output of 1,300 lumens, this flashlight provides ample brightness for a wide range of activities. It offers multiple lighting modes, including a moonlight mode with just 1 lumen for preserving night vision, and a turbo mode for unleashing the full 1,300 lumens. Switching between these modes is effortless, allowing you to customize the light to your specific needs. Crafted from premium materials, the Arkfeld Pro boasts a robust and durable design capable of withstanding daily wear and tear. Its compact size, combined with a sturdy pocket clip, makes it easy to carry in your pocket or securely attached to a belt, ensuring it's always within reach. One of its standout features is the built-in green laser pointer, which adds versatility for tasks like presentations or pinpointing objects in the dark. This flashlight is powered by a built-in 1,500 mAh lithium polymer battery, offering impressive battery life even with frequent use. Recharging is hassle-free thanks to OLIGHT's magnetic charging system, which securely snaps onto the flashlight for quick and efficient charging. Users frequently highlight the Arkfeld Pro's exceptional brightness, thoughtful design, and rugged build quality. Many appreciate the variety of lighting levels that adapt seamlessly to different situations, as well as the strong pocket clip that ensures secure carry. The green laser feature is particularly praised for its precision and utility in diverse applications. In summary, the OLIGHT Arkfeld Pro is a reliable and practical choice for everyday use and professional tasks alike. Its compact design, versatile lighting options, and added green laser make it an indispensable tool for anyone looking for a dependable, tactical flashlight. At number 2, we have the Fenix TK35UE, a tactical flashlight that offers outstanding value without compromising on performance. Equipped with 3 luminous SST40 LEDs, it delivers a remarkable maximum output of 5,000 lumens and can project a beam up to 400 meters, making it ideal for a wide range of uses, from outdoor adventures to emergency scenarios. This flashlight is powered by 2 18650 rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, ensuring long run times across its versatile brightness levels. In duty mode, it offers 5 levels. Eco mode provides 3 lumens with an impressive runtime of up to 85 hours. Low mode outputs 350 lumens for 13 hours and 40 minutes. Medium mode gives 250 lumens for 20 hours and 30 minutes. High mode outputs 500 lumens for 10 hours and 20 minutes. 800 lumens for 5 hours and 30 minutes. High mode produces 2,000 lumens for 1 hour and 50 minutes, and turbo mode unleashes the full 5,000 lumens for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Additionally, it includes a strobe mode, perfect for emergency or tactical applications. Built to endure tough conditions, the TK35UE is constructed from durable A6061-T6 aluminum, with a premium Type 3 hard anodized anti-abrasive finish. This ensures resilience in challenging environments. A standout feature of this flashlight is its mechanical toggle switch, which allows users to effortlessly switch between tactical, duty, and lock modes, making it adaptable to various operational needs. The instant strobe activation adds to its tactical versatility, providing immediate access when required. Other convenient features include a battery level indicator, a lockout function to prevent accidental activation, and an IP68 rating that guarantees dustproof and waterproof performance. It can withstand submersion in up to 2 meters of water for 30 minutes, ensuring reliability in harsh conditions. Its flat-body design, coupled with the included holster and lanyard, makes it easy to carry and accessible for users on the move. In summary, the Fenix TK35UE is a dependable and high-performing tactical flashlight that offers excellent value for its quality and features. Whether you need a flashlight for outdoor activities, professional tasks, or emergency preparedness, this versatile tool is a solid choice. At the top spot, we have the OLIGHT Warrior 3S, the ultimate tactical flashlight that combines exceptional performance with unmatched versatility. Delivering a maximum output of 2,300 lumens in a cool white light, this flashlight uses a TIR optic lens to project a beam reaching up to 300 meters. Whether for tactical missions, outdoor excursions, or emergency situations, the Warrior 3S is engineered to handle a variety of scenarios effortlessly. This flashlight offers 6 output modes, including an effective strobe mode for self-defense or signaling. The side switch allows quick and easy access to brightness adjustments, while the dual-switch design enhances its tactical capabilities, making it a reliable tool in critical situations. Powered by a customized 5,000 mAh 21700 lithium-ion battery, the Warrior 3S offers impressive runtimes, from 2.5 hours on its highest setting to an incredible 55 days in its lowest mode. Recharging is simple and efficient, thanks to OLIGHT's magnetic charging system, which fully powers the flashlight within 5.5 to 10 hours. Constructed from high-grade aluminum alloy, this flashlight is built to endure tough conditions and everyday use. Its compact design ensures it's easy to carry, whether clipped to your pocket, attached to a belt, or stored in a bag. A standout feature is its built-in proximity sensor, which automatically dims the light when detecting nearby objects. This helps prevent overheating and ensures user safety during operation. Users consistently praise the Warrior 3S for its powerful brightness, durable construction, and exceptional battery performance. While some have noted concerns about the proprietary battery and magnetic charging system, these are minor trade-offs for the flashlight's overall reliability and advanced features. In summary, the OLIGHT Warrior 3S is a top-tier tactical flashlight that excels in both performance and versatility. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this flashlight is a dependable companion for any situation. And there you have it. We hope this carefully curated list helps make choosing the right tactical flashlight a breeze, saving you time and effort in your search. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description to snag the latest deals on all the flashlights we covered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.